System errors causing the Libsndfile-1 library DLL crashes in Libsndfile Project. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the gap and automate the repair. Before diving into the manual fix for Libsndfile-1 library, note the official maintenance resource linked below for system synchronization. This is the Libsndfile-1 library, an extensive C library for reading and writing files containing sampled sound. Missing this file prevents the importation of audio files in tools like Audacity, citing or library load failure, or unsupported format error during the file opening phase. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Libsndfile-1 serves as a critical internal bridge for Libsndfile Project features, and you should download the latest version of your host program where you encountered the error to replace any truncated or damaged binaries to resolve the launch error. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Libsndfile-1 library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of Libsndfile-1 library DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to Libsndfile-1 library. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Libsndfile-1 library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.